Have you ever looked at a simple coin in your pocket and thought, what if this tiny piece of metal is hiding a secret value that nobody told you about? What if something that looks completely ordinary is actually worth much more than you can imagine? Today we are going to talk about one such coin, a coin that most people ignore, a coin that many people have spent without even thinking twice, but collectors are quietly searching for it. And that coin is the 1978 Philippines 1 Piso coin featuring Jose Rizal. And trust me when I say this, by the end of this video you might actually want to check your old coins, because what you find might surprise you. Now imagine this, it's 1978, a time when the Philippines was going through economic changes. People were using coins every day without thinking about their long-term value. And among those coins was the 1 Piso coin. Simple, common, and widely circulated. But what made this coin different was the face on it. The face of Jose Rizal, a national hero, a symbol of intelligence, courage, and change. A man who inspired a nation without even picking up a weapon. And because of that, his image on a coin made it more than just money. It became a representation of history, identity, and pride. When you hold this coin in your hand, you are not just holding metal, you are holding a piece of history. And that is exactly why collectors are interested in it. Because coins are not just about value, they are about stories. And this coin has a story that most people don't even realize. At first glance, the 1978 1 Piso coin looks very simple. You will see the portrait of Jose Rizal on one side. Clean design, nothing too flashy. And on the other side you will see the seal of the central bank along with the year 1978. And the name of the country. Everything looks normal, nothing looks special. And that is exactly why so many valuable coins go unnoticed. Because they don't look special at all. But here is where things start to get interesting. Not all coins are created equal, even if they look the same. Some coins have tiny differences that can completely change their value. And those differences are what collectors look for. These are things like minting errors, rare conditions, and small details that most people would never notice. Imagine two coins that look identical to you, but one of them is worth $1 and the other one is worth $100. What makes the difference? The difference is in the details. And those details are what we are going to uncover today. Some of these 1978 1 Piso coins were minted with slight mistakes. And those mistakes are not bad. In fact, they make the coin more valuable. Because they are rare, and collectors love rare things. One example is something called a double die error. This is when the design of the coin appears slightly doubled. It is very hard to notice unless you look closely. But once you see it, you cannot unsee it. And coins like this can sell for much higher prices than normal ones. Another type of error is an off-center strike. This is when the coin was not perfectly aligned during the minting process. So the design appears shifted to one side. Now to a normal person this might look like a damaged coin. But to a collector, this is something unique, something different, something that not everyone has. And that makes it valuable. There are also coins with weak strikes, where some details look faded or incomplete, and coins with die cracks, where you can see small lines caused by damage in the minting equipment. And again, these are things that most people ignore, but collectors pay attention to them. Now let's talk about value, because this is the part everyone is curious about. How much is this coin actually worth? Well, the answer is not simple, because it depends on many factors. If you have a normal 1978 1 Piso coin that has been used and circulated, then its value might be very low, maybe a few cents or up to $1, nothing too exciting. But if your coin is in very good condition, what collectors call uncirculated, meaning it looks almost new, then the value can go up to $5, $10, even $20 depending on the condition. And that is already much more than its face value. But here is where things get really interesting. If your coin has a rare error, or if it is in perfect condition, then the value can jump even higher. $50, $100, even more in some cases. And this is why people are starting to pay attention to these coins, because they realize that something small can have hidden value. And this is not just about money. It is also about the excitement of discovering something rare, something that not everyone knows about, something that feels like a hidden treasure. And that is what makes coin collecting so interesting. Now you might be thinking, how do I know if my coin is valuable? What should I look for? And the answer is simple. You need to observe carefully. Look at the year. Make sure it says 1978. Look at the design. Check if anything looks unusual. Look for doubling in the letters. Check if the design is centered. Inspect the edges, and most importantly, pay attention to the condition of the coin. One very important thing you need to remember is never clean your coin. Many people think that cleaning a coin will make it more valuable. But in reality, it does the opposite. Cleaning can damage the surface and reduce its value. Collectors prefer coins in their original condition, even if they look old or dirty. Another important tip is to store your coins properly. Keep them in a safe place, avoid touching them too much, and if possible, use protective holders. Because condition plays a big role in value. A small scratch or damage can make a big difference. The reason why coins like this are becoming popular is because more people are getting interested in collecting, especially rare and historical coins. And as demand increases, the value also increases. And this creates an opportunity for people who know what to look for. Imagine finding a coin in your old collection or even in your daily change, and realizing that it is worth much more than you expected. That feeling is something that collectors chase, and that is why they spend time studying coins, learning about details, and searching for hidden gems. And the 1978 1 Piso coin is one of those coins that has the potential to surprise you, because it is common enough to be found, but rare enough in certain conditions to be valuable. And that combination makes it very interesting. So the next time you come across a coin, don't just ignore it, take a closer look, because you never know what you might find. It could be just a normal coin, or it could be something special, something rare, something valuable. And that is the beauty of coin collecting. It turns something ordinary into something exciting. It makes you pay attention to details. It teaches you history, and sometimes, it even rewards you financially. So now it's your turn. Go check your coins. Look for the 1978 1 Piso coin, examine it carefully, and see if you can spot anything unusual, because who knows? You might be holding something that others are still searching for. And if you found this interesting, make sure you stay curious, keep exploring, and never underestimate the value of small things, because sometimes, the smallest delicieux can hold the biggest surprises. And remember, treasure doesn't always look like treasure. Sometimes it looks like a simple coin sitting quietly in your pocket, waiting for you to notice it. And now let me tell you something even more interesting. Something that most beginners in coin collecting don't realize at all. Sometimes the real value of a coin is not just in what you see, but in what other people are willing to pay for it. And that depends on demand, and demand can change over time. Today a coin might be ignored, but tomorrow it can suddenly become popular. And when that happens, prices can go up very fast. This is exactly what has been happening slowly with coins like the 1978 1 Piso. More collectors from around the world are starting to notice Philippine coins, especially those connected to historical figures like Jose Rizal. And when international collectors enter the market, the competition increases. And when competition increases, prices follow. Now imagine this situation. You have a normal-looking coin. You think it is worth nothing. But somewhere in another country, a collector is searching for that exact coin to complete their collection, and they are willing to pay a good amount for it. This is how hidden value works. It is not always obvious, but it is real. Another thing that makes this coin interesting is its age. It is not extremely old, but it is old enough to be considered collectible. Coins from the 1970s are now crossing that line where they are no longer just modern coins. They are becoming vintage, and vintage items always attract attention over time. And here is something very important that many people ignore: the condition scale of coins. Collectors don't just say a coin is good or bad. They use specific grades like poor, fine, very fine, extremely fine, and uncirculated. And each level can change the value significantly. For example, a coin in average condition might be worth $1, but the same coin in uncirculated condition could be worth $10 or $20. And if it is almost perfect, the price can go even higher. This is why two people can have the same coin but completely different values. One person might think it is worthless, while another person might sell it for a good price, simply because they understand grading better. And let me tell you another small secret. Sometimes coins that were kept forgotten for years turn out to be the most valuable ones, because they were not touched, not cleaned, not damaged. They stayed in their original state. And collectors love originality. Maybe you have an old drawer, an old box, or even a jar full of coins that nobody has checked in years. And inside that, there could be something special. Not just the 1978 1 Piso, but maybe other coins too. And that is why people say, always check before you spend. And now think about this. How many coins have already been spent without anyone checking them? How many valuable coins have passed through people's hands without being noticed? Probably thousands, maybe even millions. And that is what makes this topic so exciting. Because there is always a chance, always a possibility. And the best part is, you don't need a big investment to start. You don't need expensive tools. You just need curiosity, attention, and a little bit of knowledge. And that is exactly what you are building right now. Another factor that can affect the value of your coin is rarity in circulation. Even if millions of coins were made, not all of them survive in good condition. Many get damaged, lost, melted, or simply disappear over time. So the number of available coins in good condition becomes smaller, and that increases value. And when you combine rarity with demand and condition, you get the perfect combination for a valuable coin. And this is exactly why some 1978 1 Piso coins can sell for higher prices than expected. Now let's go deeper into something that collectors really pay attention to, and that is details under magnification. Sometimes the difference between a normal coin and a valuable coin is so small that you cannot see it with your eyes alone. Collectors use magnifying glasses or microscopes to inspect coins. They look at tiny details like the edges of letters, the sharpness of the design, and small marks that tell a story about how the coin was made. For example, if you look closely at the lettering on your coin and you see slight doubling or shadowing, that could indicate a minting error. And that is something collectors love, because it is not supposed to happen. It is a mistake, and mistakes are rare. And here is something interesting. The minting process is not perfect. Machines can make errors. Dies can wear out. Alignment can shift. And all of these things can create unique coins. And those unique coins become collectibles. So instead of thinking of errors as damage, think of them as uniqueness. Something that makes your coin different from millions of others. And now let's talk about the emotional side of collecting. Because it is not just about money. Many collectors collect coins because of the history, the connection, the feeling of holding something from the past. And when you have a coin like the 1978 1 Piso, you are holding a piece of Philippine history, a connection to a time, a place, and a story. And that emotional value can sometimes be even more important than the financial value, because it creates passion, and passion drives collecting. But of course, the idea that your coin could be worth money makes it even more exciting. And that is why videos like this get so much attention. Because people love the idea of hidden treasure. They love the idea that something small and simple could turn into something valuable. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to find something valuable without even trying too hard? It feels like a discovery, like a reward, like finding something that others missed. So now the question is, what should you do next? The answer is simple. Start looking, start checking, start learning. Take your time and go through your coins carefully. Don't rush. Don't assume, just observe. And if you find something interesting, don't sell it immediately. Do some research. Compare it with other coins. Check online listings. See what similar coins are selling for. And try to understand why some coins are priced higher than others. Because knowledge is what turns a simple coin into an opportunity. And the more you learn, the better your chances of finding something valuable. And one more thing, patience is very important. Not every coin will be valuable. Not every search will give you results. But over time, your knowledge will grow. Your eye for details will improve. And your chances will increase. And that is how collectors think. They don't expect instant results. They enjoy the process, the search, the learning, and the small discoveries along the way. So if you are just starting, don't worry about being perfect, just start. Even a simple coin like the 1978 1 Piso can teach you a lot. It can train your eye, it can introduce you to the world of collecting, and it can even surprise you with its value. And who knows, maybe one day, you will look back and realize that this small coin was the beginning of something bigger, a hobby, a passion, or even a source of income. And that is why this coin is more than just a coin. It is an opportunity, an introduction, and a reminder that value is not always obvious. So take a moment, think about where your coins are right now. Maybe in your pocket, your wallet, a drawer, or somewhere forgotten. And when this video ends, go and check them. Because the next coin you pick up might not be as ordinary as it seems. And if you stay curious, keep learning, and pay attention to details, you might start seeing things that others don't see. And that is where the real advantage comes in. Because in the end, it is not about luck. It is about awareness. And once you become aware, everything changes. And that simple 1978 1 Piso coin might just be your first step into a world full of hidden value waiting to be discovered.